Hello all, welcome to another session in this course. As part of this session, I am going to cover the next topic, that is the different operating systems which are supported by Playwright test automation tool. Let me show you. So the top three operating systems that we generally use in the market are supported by Playwright test automation tool. That means you can use this Playwright test automation tool in all these operating system containing machines. So what are the different operating systems which are supported by Playwright? You see, most of the people are into Windows OS. Even I am using Windows. This is a Windows operating system in my machine. So I can install and use Playwright test automation tool in my machine because Playwright test automation tool supports this Windows operating system. So I can install this Playwright. I can write the automation scripts in this Playwright automation tool. I can run the automation scripts in this particular machine, have the Windows OS with the Playwright test automation tool because Playwright test automation tool supports this Windows OS. Similarly, Playwright test automation tool also supports macOS and Linux also. Okay, Windows, Mac, and Linux are the top three players in the market coming to the operating systems. So all these major operating systems that are popular in the market are supported by the Playwright test automation tool. That means you can write and run your automation scripts using the Playwright automation tool in any of these OS, that is Windows, Mac, and Linux. So hope guys you got an idea of the list of operating systems which are supported by Playwright test automation tool. And if you want to again confirm like are these OS really supported by Playwright test automation tool, you can go to the official website of Playwright and confirm that. Okay, open the browser and simply type playwright.dev and then scroll down here. You see test on Windows, Linux, and Mac. It's there. Okay, class cross platform. Playwright automation tool supports Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, which are the top three operating system players in the market. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session where I'm going to cover another topic for you on Playwright with TypeScript course. That's all for this session. Bye everyone. Take care.